Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, September 25. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller is encouraging more persons to invest in Jamaica, declaring that the country is open for business. The Prime Minister was speaking at the American Friends of Jamaica AFJ's Hummingbird Gala in New York on Tuesday. Even as she thanked the AFJ for its continued support of the island, Mrs. Simpson Miller said her administration was looking to deepen investment opportunities and collaboration.
To see how we can move seriously for growth and development with job creation. Because we have a responsibility for all Jamaicans, but we have to place a serious focus on the masses of the people, the poor, the oppressed, the dispossessed, and the disadvantaged.
Mrs. Simpson Miller is in New York for the 68th session of the United Nations General Assembly, where she's expected to deliver Jamaica's policy statement on Saturday. She had bilateral talks with Nigerian President Goodluck Jonathan on Tuesday, the same day U.S. President Barack Obama opened the debate. Meanwhile, Jamaican companies have inked a number of deals in the Dominican Republic as part of efforts to boost their export competitiveness. This follows a successful trade mission led by Jamaica Promotions Corporation JAMPRO from September 10 to 14. 15 Jamaican exporters took part in the mission and held discussions with government and private sector interests in the Dominican Republic. JAMPRO's president, Diane Edwards, said one Jamaican company got a trial order to a large supermarket chain.
Also, another company reported securing a joint venture partnership deal which they had been negotiating previously but which they cemented during this mission. Another company identified a distributor for the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, and potentially Haiti.
She added that JAMPRO was aware of the challenges faced by exporters and said the agency would do all it could to help them deal with the obstacles. The trade mission to the Dominican Republic was supported by the Caribbean Export Development Agency and the Jamaica Manufacturers Association. 19 new ambulances have been added to the Health Ministry's fleet of vehicles as part of government's plans to revitalize the country's emergency vehicle services. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson said the ambulances, which cost over $80 million, were funded by the National Health Fund.
As we go forward, annually, we will put additional numbers of ambulances. So I know for those hospitals that didn't and will not get in round one, I can assure you that in the next round, you will definitely be there.
The 19 ambulances bring to 56 the number of vehicles purchased for the health sector since January 2012. If all goes according to plan, Spanish Town High School will be expanded on premises located next to the institution by the end of this academic year. During a tour on Monday, Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites said expanding the school on premises called the Barracks would address overcrowding at the institution.
I will make it available through negotiation with the body of government that has responsibility for it, so that your school can extend over there, you can have new buildings and you can expand.
The government has been working on a plan to deal with the space shortage in secondary schools to enrich the teaching and learning environment. Police Commissioner Owen Ellington has declared that the force is committed to reducing violent crimes. This follows a recent upsurge of murders linked to robberies and gang-related conflicts. In a statement on Tuesday, Mr. Ellington said the police would not be deterred as the current situation demands a more aggressive and confrontational approach to crime fighting. The police commissioner is urging families, friends, and associates of criminals not to protect or cover up their illicit activities, as this provides an avenue for them to continue to hurt members of the society. And finally, Jamaica is continuing to position itself to exploit the opportunities from the upcoming Logistics Hub. 8 young people left the island for Panama on Tuesday to participate in the 4th World Trade and Investment Foundation's Youth Ambassadors Program. The young Jamaicans will explore opportunities in logistics and shipping.
The ministry considers it very important that young people be informed and be ready to participate in all of the opportunities which will make themselves available when we, in fact, become the 4th node in logistics in the world.
The Youth Ambassadors Program in Panama ends on Saturday. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.